I'm Vivian, I'm the scientist in audiology. Thank you for coming here today to help us show what happens when your baby comes for a diagnostic hearing test.
Does this test hurt?
No, we want the baby to sleep for the test, so we try and be as gentle as possible and try not to disturb them. Okay, so I'm just going to pop the wee wires on your baby, okay? So I just need to give her skin a wee clean before I do that, okay? It's just a wee bit of gel just to clean it. Okay, so it's one on the forehead, one on the side of the head and one behind each ear.
Does this test take long?
It can take up to a couple of hours, but it just depends on the results that we get and on how settled the baby is, really. It's just wee tubes that just sit in her ear canals, okay? And I just need a wee bit of tape on her cheek just to try and keep it in place. I'll just pop this in. There we go, good girl. And then we just need to connect these wee tubes up to play the sounds into her ears.
Why did you ask me to feed my baby just for the appointment?
To be able to do the test, we need the baby to be sleeping and settled.
You said that the test could take up to 2 hours, but she usually only has a short nap. What would you do then?
We're very relaxed, we've got plenty of time. If your baby wakes up, then whatever it takes to get them settled is fine. Feeding, changing, waiting. Okay, so we're just going to do the high-pitched sounds now. I'm just going to make it a wee bit louder as well, okay? So we're just going to try some low-pitched sounds now, okay?
How do you know she can hear the sounds if she's sleeping?
If she's responding to the sound, then a nerve signal gets sent from the ear to the brain, and that's what we're picking up with these wee wires on her head. Okay, that's us all done. We've got the results now, so we'll just take these wee stickers off, okay? It can be a wee bit sticky, but I'll just be very gentle. That's not too bad. That's it. There we go. That's you all done. All done.
Thank you for showing me the test.
Thank you for helping us show this test.